Hello students. Explanation of third lesson, our India, political and cultural. First of all, new words. First one is cultural. Cultural means Samskriti. Political, Rajya. Activity related to administration of country, of state. Languages, ಭಾಷೆಗಳು. Economic, ಆರ್ಥಿಕ, related of financial. Traditions means, tradition ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ. Sacrifice means ತ್ಯಾಗ. Adopted means ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. Patriotic, patriotic means ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ. Ornaments, jewelry, ಒಡವೆಗಳು. Padmashri, Padmashri means name of award. Non-violence, without any bloodshed means ahimsa. Next, fill in the blanks. The official language of Goa is Konkani. The capital city of Nagaland is Kohima. The President Prime Minister of India is The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. Present President Ramnath Kovind. Match the following. First one, 15th August, Independence Day. Population of India 121 crore. Island Lakshadweep. Nagaland Kohima. Monolith pillar Saranath. National anthem Rabindranath Tagore. Districts of Karnataka 30. Name the following neighboring countries of India: Pakistan and Afghanistan. Islands of India: Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar. Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam. National symbols: national flag, national emblem. Now, short notes. The national flag. The national flag is one of the national symbols of the country. It is horizontal, rectangular, that is tricolor tiranga of saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice and courage. White color symbolizes peace and purity, and green color is the symbol of fertility. The Ashoka Chakra is at the center of the flag. Our flag, national flag, represents India and has a special recognition in the international level. Next, true or false? The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. True. The national flag is one of the national symbol of our country. True. India is the 9th largest democratic country in the world. False. Match the following. In four facing lions, in spirits is our national emblem. There are large numbers of languages. We Indians are brothers and sisters. Circle the odd one. Lakshadweep, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Lakshadweep. Geographic, Indians. Political, historical, Indians. Christian, Hinduism. Flag, Jainism, flag. Padmashri, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushana, Sania Mirza. Now answer the following question. In which part of India is Karnataka state located? in southern part of India is Karnataka state located. Which is the official language of our state? Kannada. Which is the official language of India? Hindi and English. Which are the languages of your neighboring countries? Which are the languages of your neighboring states? Marathi, Telugu, Tamil. Which is the capital city of Karnataka state? Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka state. Which are the neighboring countries of India? Pakistan, China, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Burma, that is Myanmar. Which is the smallest states of the northeast of India? Mizoram. Name the festivals of India. Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Lohri, Onam, Bihu dance, Basant Panchami. Answer the following questions in 2-3 sentences. Name the national festivals of India. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Mention the names of any 3 folklore sports in Karnataka state. Chinni Dandu, Kabaddi, Lagori are the famous folklore sports in Karnataka. Mention the popular folklore dance around your place. Yakshagana and Kathakali. What are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white and green. Write 2 names of each recipient of the following awards. Padma Shri, Virat Kohli, Vishnuvardhan, Bharati Vishnuvardhan. Bharata Ratna, Mother Teresa, Abdul Kalam Azad. So who is this? Write 3 sentences about her. Sania. She is Sania Nehwal. She is professional badminton single player from India. Nehwal, the former world number 1, has maintained her world ranking in the top 10 since 2009. She has won over 20 international titles, which include then Super Series titles. She got a Padma Shri award. Write 5 sentences about popular sports. What are the public assets you see in your place? Roads, buses, railways, electricity, post office. What are the public facilities needed for your place? Water tank, library, electricity, drinking water are the public facilities are needed in your place. So activity, write states and capitals of India and write their official language in your SST classwork neatly once.